Galaxy Note 20 Ultra LTE only confirmed thanks to FCC listing. Samsung is all set to launch its flagship smartphone dubbed Galaxy Note 20 lineup. The lineup will offer two devices, namely Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. Earlier, we were expecting the Chopol to launch the lineup in 5G only variant, meaning no more separate LTE devices. Well, this move would have good considering the device will become future-proof. For those who are unaware, a 5G smartphone can also support LTE connectivity. Ahead of the official launch, the Ultra variant of the lineup has now appeared on FCC listing. It looks like the device will now also come in an LTE only model as well. The FCC listing has mentioned several models of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The listing also confirmed the fact that we will see the LTE 5G split across the entire lineup. With that said, the device will indeed arrive with the latest Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset in the US with built-in 5G modem dubbed Snapdragon X55M. The LTE only will have the functionality disabled, and these devices will arrive in the markets where 5G is not available. If that's the case, then it looks like the company is still going with the Galaxy S20 series LTE 5G split. Apart from confirming this, the listing has also confirmed the Wi-Fi 6 support as well. Furthermore, it also confirms that the Galaxy Note 20 will launch with Snapdragon 865 Plus over Exynos in South Korea. The company did the same with the Galaxy S20 lineup for its home market. The listing doesn't talk about anything else. A couple of days ago, we saw a report mentioning that Samsung will go with Exynos 990 chipset for the global variant of the device. Well, the device between Exynos over Snapdragon has already received bad criticism from Galaxy fans. The fans even decided to create a petition against the brand to use Snapdragon chipset on its flagship device. To recall, the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked will take place on August 5th, where the brand will launch a plethora of devices. Apart from Note 20 lineup, we will see Galaxy Z Flip 5G, Galaxy Tab S7 series, Galaxy Watch along with the Galaxy Buds Live. As per the recent report, we might even see the company launching Galaxy Fold 2, contradicting the previous report of unfortunate delay. So guys, what do you think about the upcoming LTE variant of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and also please do consider subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching this video.